I've done some filing, cleaned out some of the party line on the crankcase all through the center here, here, and on this front nose here, because that's where I'm going to chuck up into the lathe. I'm going to indicate inside here and just get it close to casting, so I'm not going to be able to get it exact. I'm going to do a light pass on the inside, see what it looks like, and we can adjust it from there. So it seems to be cutting equal side to side, a little more at the top, just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and keep going, but first I'm going to face this surface here. I still want to face some more off, but now I want to get in here, continue to bore this a little bit so we have a clean cut all the way around. In case this thing gets bumped, I make a mistake, something happens, I can re-indicate it in. Nice machine surface all the way around, but now I can indicate this in if something happens. I'm going to continue facing this. I don't really have a lot of room there. I want to make sure I can catch this mounting lug. Oh yeah, should be able to. I believe this is the finished pass. Check the depth. 1 inch, 212. It's close. I'm looking for 1 7/32, which is 218, I believe. Now I'm going to spot drill, and then ream this for the crankshaft. I've done this similar setup with other parts, just unscrewing the chuck, I tighten the jaws down and letting the outside diameter of the chuck square up on the edge of the jaws here and clamp it down. Now I just need to get this block so the cylinder is straight up and down. I still have a little bit of the parting line right there. Okay, that's pretty close. I think I'm going to put an indicator on the spindle and compare this side to this side of the mounting lugs. If they're pretty close, I'm just going to run with this. I'm going to bring this in a little bit more and take this off. Then I'm going to mirror this on the other side and see how close I am. So my DRO says 1 1/16, 1.062, and we are just wanting to touch the case here. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side and see what it looks like. The DRO is set for 1.1. I'm going to take it to 1.062, and I have about the same step here as on the other side before I moved it in last time. This is going to work out good. Okay, another thing I'd like to do is mill a flat right here. I'm not sure if I need it, but it'd be nice to have that additional surface as a reference point, just in case. So I'm taking about 20 thousandths off. I think I might take a little more off. So another 20. I guess while it's here, I could cut on both sides. I don't know. I'll do it on this one. Why not? I don't know if that's totally necessary, but it just gives me another couple edges to locate off of or to possibly grab onto. Being that it's the first engine block I'm machining, why not? So now I'm going to face the sides of each mounting lug, square those up,